What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to open Samsung keyboard voice input in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings and then scroll down and click on voice input. Now here make sure to select Samsung voice input to use the Samsung voice input. Now go back to your home screen and open an app in which you can use keyboard. Now open your keyboard and to use Samsung keyboard voice input, click on this microphone icon. So if it shows a keyboard icon here, then press and hold on that keyboard icon and from here select voice input, and after that just simply tap on this icon to open the Samsung keyboard voice input. And now you can see the Samsung keyboard voice input is opened. So that's how you can open the Samsung keyboard voice input in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.